As I said in my first video where I speak in 7 languages, German is the most difficult language I've ever learned because compared to the other ones I learned before it, it has more rules, many details to take into consideration, and its order was totally different. But in spite of all, I still learned it very fast with the method I use. Hi, so today in this video I'm going to show you everything I used to learn it. Well, even if it wouldn't be the language you're learning now or plan to learn soon, you can still keep watching the video till the end because there are things I used to learn it. You can also use some versions to learn any other language. So to get started, let's head to my cell phone screen. So the first thing I did is go on YouTube and type German pronunciation. Here it is. So I found some videos about pronunciation. At first I watched this video, German for Beginners lesson 1. Then I just type German for Beginners lesson 2 to find out the second lesson easier. Okay, so after watching these 2 lessons, I also watched this lesson, how to pronounce German like a native speaker. And while I'm doing so, I used a copybook to take notes. Okay, then I found a great German teacher whose name is Jenny. The channel is called Lengoni German. Here it is. Let's click here. Let's go to the playlist to find all the lessons. Okay, you can see so many lessons. Let's go to German A1 at first. So although she was my German teacher, I still used my method. As I said, if you missed the video about my secret to learn a language in a short time, go and watch it before watching this one so that you can understand this one better. Okay, for that I just attended the lessons that I needed at first. Okay, for example, some lessons about the conjugation, about the errore, etc. And so also go faster. Sometimes instead of taking notes while watching the video, I just take screenshots, and then I can use my copybook to go to the screenshots and take notes. Okay, because I really want it to go faster. Then when I needed more details about some things or some other things, there are some other channels that I also used. For example, Learn German with Anya. Okay, it is a very good channel where you can find so many lessons too. And we also have Vlog Dave. Okay, then we have Learn German with Herr Antrim. Here it is. And there's another very interesting channel I'm also going to recommend to you. So I found some very interesting lessons on it. Okay, let me show you some of the lessons that I really enjoyed. For example, let's see, this one sound like a native German speaker, how Germans really speak. Okay, I really enjoyed these lessons. And we also have German grammar, Frau. So I found this lesson, negation part 2, which allowed me understand the negation better. And we also have Easy German, which is a channel that I really enjoyed. I'm still using it, but I started using it as soon as I started understanding the language. Okay, because she speaks only in German, even if we also have subtitles in English and we have subtitles in German too. So I really enjoyed it. So I'm still enjoying it because there are so many topics, so many lessons. I still attend some topics on Then for advanced research, there are two very important books that I used, but I'm still using them. To get them, we need to go on Play Store and type Super PDF Drive to download this app. It is an app where we can download so many books. Okay, I'm just going to open it because I already have it installed on my phone. If you don't have it yet, you need to install it. Okay, so the first book is called Complete German Grammar. It is a very important book. Anyone who is learning German can use it. Okay, so here it is. Complete German Grammar. You just need to click on it and click on download to download it. Okay, so the second book is called Essential German Grammar. It is very important. Okay, anyone can use it as well. It is very important. Okay, you will find out so many things in it. So here it is. Just click on it and then click on download to download it. And as dictionary, I also went on Play Store and downloaded an app called German English Dictionary. Here it is. Okay, so it is a very good dictionary. What I like most about it is that they also gave you examples for the words you type. Okay, and for translation, you also need to go on Play Store and type Reverso Context. Okay, it is a very great app. I really enjoy using it. Okay, Reverso Context. And I sometimes use Google Translation, but Reverso Context is my favorite one. And to find out people to practice, so I'm still using HelloTalk. You can just go on Play Store, not only Play Store and App Store, okay, and type HelloTalk. It is a very good app where you can find out so many people to practice, mostly native speakers. I'm still using it. You can also use Tandem, but HelloTalk is my favorite one and it is more practical. So we come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more videos with us. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Well, thanks a lot. Bye. See you soon.